All right, class. This is a quick explainer on how to do the 6.6 mastery check production workflow. This is for your PSA. Let's actually change the name of that and include PSA on there. All right, so put the name on there. And so it's asking you to submit 2 screenshots. One of your Windows Explorer folder showing your clips, at least 5 unique shots on your PC hard drive in a project folder. Okay, so let's see how to do that. That sounds kind of confusing. So let's pretend that I just finished shooting the clips for my PSA, and I'm going to go to the yellow folder down here. That brings up Windows Explorer. So Windows Explorer and this yellow folder are the same thing. So I'm going to right click, and that's the right button on your mouse. And I'm going to go to New Folder, and you could also do Shift, I believe it's Shift Control N, and that also creates a new folder. Shift Control N, quick key there. I'm going to name this PSA Project. All right, let's pretend these are the 5 clips I have recorded for my PSA. It's going to be 30 seconds. I'm going to move them in there. If they're on your card, do I have an SD card? I don't have room with a, let's see. All right. If they're on an SD card, here we go. It's going to be in the DCIM folder, and it will be named with the date. That's if the camera date and time is correct, you'll see the one that you recorded your stuff on by looking at the date. And also double click, open it up, and view medium icons and see, there's some, I know these are the clips and whatnot. Okay, so there we go. Then you can grab those, hit copy, copy up here, copy, go to your videos, and didn't I just make a folder in here? PSA project. You can hit paste, and it'll paste your videos in there. So there's a couple ways to do it. Another way I like to do it is to hit just Control N, and that just opens up a new window. And then I can go to DCIM and I can copy the folder from the SD card. Make sure you get this little bar that is going across to make sure you're copying stuff. Okay, so I'm going to grade you on having your videos on your PC. And then we're going to click here. This is my login, and I'm going to move. Let's close this down for a second. Let's move this up. I'm going to click that so that my name's on there, and I'm going to click Shift Windows S. And I'm going to draw a box. I want to see the student name on there, and I want to see the video files in a folder on the videos folder there. So if we take a look at the screenshot, I can see the users logged in, and I can see the videos are on the hard drive there. This is a mastery check for learning how to do proper workflow and keeping your files on your PC so that you can edit on your own computer. Hopefully this will help students with their workflow, and we'll have fewer issues starting our projects out. And then after this, you can go to your, let's go back to the yellow folder. Down here you can go to screenshots. If you don't have that right there, go to pictures and then go to screenshots. Find that screenshot. And where you have a submit button, then choose that. Submit that screenshot using the file upload, or put it on Google Drive and use a shareable link if you prefer that. But you can just submit that screenshot. And then, all right, I just opened up Premiere Pro, and I am going to skip this first part. I created a project. It's named PSA project, and it's in my videos folder, and it's in that folder we just created. I'm going to skip the select media thing, and then from import media, if you don't see this, go up here to workspaces and select editing, import media, go to your PSA project that you just created and do Control A and import all supported media. All right, and then you can pick your clips you're going to put in there. Drop one in to start to make it a 1080p video, and then start going up here and choosing your in and out of each clip, and then start building your timeline. So there you go. That's a beautiful image right there. Okay, so that's how you do the. Oh, you need a screenshot of this. So now that you have these in your bin, Windows Control S, and make sure you have your. I want to see that you're logged in to Premiere Pro. Copy as much of the screen as you can, and I see that there's the clips are in your bin right there, and you're going to submit that screenshot as well. All right. Yeah, so that's first one, and then the second one is a screenshot of your bin, which is this bottom window right here. It is the right here. This is your bin that has your clips in it. All right, let me know if you have questions.